Hello, my name is Miss P, and today I'm going to show you how to submit Seesaw assignments in your child's Google Classroom. So if you have a tablet or an iPad, go ahead and go to the Google Classroom app. If you are using a laptop or a computer, go ahead into the web browser, so Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, any of those, and get to your child's Google Classroom. Some of you may be going in through Clever. That's completely fine. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so we can get started. So I am already at the Google Classroom. Shout out to this parent for allowing me to use your child's information so we can make this video possible. I click on my teacher. I then come over to the main menu. This is fantastic because the main menu, I click on to do, and it shows me all of my assignments. So I can see every single assignment that my teacher has posted. I can also see what assignments are missing. And then finally, I can see what is done. What have I already turned in and is complete. So let me go to assign. I go ahead and I click on the assignment. It is going to take me to Seesaw. I am in my account, yay. If you are not logged into your Seesaw account, you are going to choose I am a student. Then you are going to sign in under Google, okay? You're going to sign in under Google and put in your child's bcpss.org email. So that's their 7-digit student ID at bcpss.org. And then that password. And for us, it's BE, capital B, capital E, student 19. Then press enter and it takes you to the assignment. So I'm going to press add response. And quickly, let's go over the tools. So the first thing I want to do is I want to view instructions. So this tells me typically what I have to do here, okay? What my instructions are. To my left, I have this letter T. This letter T is the text feature. So I could take that and I could type in the box. We are using Seesaw for our pre-K and K students. So please do not feel obligated to use the text typing box. However, that is what the T stands for. You also have the microphone, and this will record. You're going to say allow them to use your microphone. And this will record your answer. So I could say, hello, how are you? I'm so excited. I press pause, and then my recording has been paused. Typically, though, the instructions will let you know when you have to record, okay? So I'm going to press X. I want to exit recording because this is not an assignment that needs my voice. The camera button allows you to take a picture, a video, or upload it. And then these 3 dots allow you to add some shapes, background, or a link. Typically, your teachers are not going to ask you to use the camera button or the additional dots, but I did want to go over what those features were. And finally, we have at the bottom, this hand right here allows me to move pieces. So I want to make sure I click on this. Anytime it says drag the check mark or, move this piece, you have to click on this blue hand right here. And then that will allow me to move the piece around. Okay, so remember, I have to click on the blue hand to move pieces around. Now you'll see we have a bunch of different writing utensils. So I have a pencil, I have a pen, I have a highlighter, I have a fun highlighter too. I like this one because it's like glow in the dark. But like I said, you can choose which writing utensil to use if your teacher is asking you to write something. And then we have the eraser, and all that is doing is what? It's going to erase my work if I mess up. So as you can see, parents, these directions say drag the check mark to the answer. So I will go ahead and drag it. Now, if I mess up, I do have these arrows. So here's the back arrow, right? It will change, add or subtract something, the back and forward arrow, if I made a mistake. I also have the zoom in button, which allows me to zoom into part of the page if I need to. And then I can move it over some. So if the writing's too small or your child needs some help seeing some of the words, I can do that. We have that it is a draft right now and the check mark. So the check mark, by putting the check mark, that is waiting for the teacher's approval. So I am going to write a comment asking the teacher to give us permission for the student to redo it. But when you put in that check mark, that means that you are submitting the assignment, okay? Please resend for her to do. Video prompt. And then I'm just going to put Miss P. So that way her teacher can say, oh man, let me reassign it. But like I said, you would go to the work and then you'll know that it's submitted because it says waiting for teacher approval. All right, everybody. If you have other questions about Seesaw, please do not hesitate to reach out to your teacher. They are some experts in this field. And then if more support is needed, they will definitely reach out to me so I can schedule one-on-one time with you. I hope this video helped. Feel free again to add any comments or questions that you have, but your teacher is definitely your best resource. So have a great day if you're watching this during the daytime, or have a great evening if you're watching it at night. I'll talk to you later, everybody. Bye.